What is up, guys? It is me, Bianca. Welcome back. And so with that,
Bianca never talk like that.
what are you up to?
Well, I'm still cleaning. I was thinking about I want to give you guys a house tour. We just moved in a very nice apartment.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, everybody. So, just moved into a super nice apartment. Before we're staying somewhere nearby, and I show you the whole villa tour. And today I want to give you another apartment tour, which is completely like a different world. Then you also have a whole tour on his channel, but on my channel, just in case you haven't seen that on his channel. So yeah, let's go. So behind
Just watch
me,
Bianca's video. Don't watch mine. It's fine.
behind me is the kitchen. Look at this massive kitchen. How nice it is. Seriously.
It's like a cooking island.
Oh my god. You know, like when I was a kid, I always watch American TV shows or movies. They always have this kind of like kitchen island. You cannot wait for that. You know, like before, I think we moved in 3 or 4 days ago, and he was literally, like we moved in around like 3 p.m. and he was literally standing here until like 6 or something like that. He was just like keep staring at everything, just couldn't get off it. But I mean, of course, this view.
Zooming in, you can keep talking.
Wow, oh no, baby, come here. Look at that, now it's around like 5:30, I think. Wow, it's
Awesome, huh?
orange.
Well, after we're done filming the apartment, we're gonna take them out. Oh, I wanna take the drone out.
My goodness. Well, okay, guys, we have to do this fast, okay? Because we wanna go out. Yeah, let me just show you really quick. So here is our living room. We sit down here, watch some movies. This apartment actually comes with Netflix, so you have a lot of like movie choices.
But honestly,
What?
we still used other.
Yeah, we have like a...
Not fluid.
What? We have 3 bedrooms, and this one we're staying, we're sleeping this one.
The biggest one.
The biggest one. You know those things like back at home I also use this. It just like make it so cozy. It's just super nice. I love it, and it's so soft. Sometimes when you're staying like a budget hotel, you know, those like things always make you so uncomfortable. This one's just so soft. I like it so much.
Feels super homey.
Yeah, super home. It's so nice. Really reminds me of my home. And here we have a bathroom and closet. Actually, we have 3 bathrooms. This one is like a master bathroom. I use it most of the time, and Danny uses the other smaller ones. Bathtub. And here we have a big mirror. Have
Amazing.
A very big mirror, right?
And a very sophisticated TV.
This is kind of like really mixed with old and new, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's very mixed. Are you like showing yourself in the mirror?
No.
Okay, good.
Should I?
No! It's all about me. And also, just from the bedroom, you also have this amazing view.
Seriously, sunset
What?
right now is so crazy.
I'm still like so fascinated because it's so high, and you see like literally from here you really see Jakarta is a huge city. You can really see so far, like really.
You
really
can tell them
far.
about the neighborhood you want to tell them they were living, like down there.
I
That's how
think
it
we
looks
were
like
living
down there.
somewhere there, you know. Yeah, here is a very local neighborhood. When we just moved in, I was like, wow, just look at the big contrast. Like you see skyscrapers, and then you see a little bit like, how could you say that? I was like poor neighborhood, but actually also the same day we walked down to that street and took a little bit like grocery shopping. You walk down there. Yes, it doesn't look that fancy, but people are really happy, you know. It's just more
It's still
local
fairly
and
nice. It's
yeah,
mostly.
actually super clean.
Few big rats, but other than that,
Oh my god, the
well,
rats.
it is what it is.
This big? I don't know. With the rats, I just cannot.
Well, they also look happy.
Look how fat they are.
Yeah.
They're eating nasi goreng every day. And here by the entrance we have this, like I don't know how, like in the beginning when we moved in, I was like, wow, there's a lot of like Chinese element in there, but this is like Asian thing, you know, you can really see just like a Chinese. And Yes, and also they have water. That's awesome. Danny drinks a lot and he is very big.
Big water drinker, huh?
And a very big dining table, but Danny mostly working here. I mean, again, with this view, what an awesome like office view, right? And here we have another 2 bedrooms.
Maybe keep it a secret in my video.
What?
Well, otherwise you show them everything.
What?
What? You can show them the 3rd bathroom. How about that? I didn't show that one.
Which one is the 3rd bathroom?
The one back there.
That's the laundry. We have a laundry, guys. A super laundry. And yeah, very huge.
These are secret in my video.
Guys, seriously, this like they're so wow, they're just like prepared everything in here. They have a coffee machine, but also we have like those, you know, if you don't
French
have
press.
coffee pot, yeah. And this one is just amazing. Do you know what is this? It's actually making the milk cream. I love it. I use it every day in the morning. I don't know, like drinking coffee with a little bit like foam, which is so like happiness.
Amazing.
And also they bring, they prepared us some like flowers. Like back at home, I also bought fresh flowers. They can stay for 3 or 4 days, but you have to keep in mind that you need to change the water, otherwise it will just destroy the bottom, and then the whole flowers is gonna get busted. Danny said don't use this word because that sounds like, you know, like super fucked up when I said the bastard. Okay, let me show you.
Always teaching you new words.
Let me show you the last piece. This one. Hello. Hello. Okay guys, so that is the whole apartment. We're gonna go down there in a minute, but you know, I just want to say that during my trip for this 1.5 years, we have been staying probably around like 100 different apartments. We're always very excited to move into different places and get inspired to maybe, you know, collect some inspirations for me how to decorate my future home as well. So yeah, with that, hope you enjoyed today's little tour, and it's not over yet. Now let's just go downstairs and take a look of what is surrounding this neighborhood.
You know, Bianca's doing videos right now every 48 hours. Even today, she didn't feel like it, she edited. And right now she's like, let's just get it done. I wanted to film an apartment tour. Now she's just struggling. She's like, I cannot speak. I cannot. Seriously, for the dedication, give her a thumbs up. She's getting like better and better at talking. But sometimes, you know, it's still like... But yeah, this is definitely the fun apartment tour. Seriously, this is, I think, the most insane sunset right now. I don't even know if we should go out.
That's crazy, my goodness.
This is the best one so far.
Can you just send me a drone from here so we don't have to walk down there? We're now going to the famous roundabout Danny's talking about for over a month now. Hopefully we still have some lights, but just according to my experience of Jakarta, I think it will be completely dark by the time we got there, even though it's about like 2 minutes driving, I think.
Cameraman is back.
Let's take a walk.
It smells so nice in here.
Yes.
Look at that, they got their national colors here. I think for Independence Day.
Yeah.
Hopefully they will be independent from lockdown. Man with baby.
Hi.
This is Gusagong. This is Bianca, and I did this. From the window we saw this area. So much nicer houses around here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, like downstairs of our building is more like, you know, a very local area, but here, just even from the far, I saw houses are big, so they're big villas. It looks like a rich people area.
Okay guys, and so we came out to the most famous roundabout in Jakarta, maybe in all of Indonesia. So this is kind of like a little bit the iconic perspective. In the middle you have the fountain, all around it you have the most famous hotels. Before we only drove by the taxi, but right now, how do you like it? How's the light?
Light?
It's fine. No, this part is like really cool, you know, it feels really futuristic just all around here.
It's definitely a very, very fancy area. All the big brands, hotels, and Louis Vuitton somewhere there. Yeah, it looks super cool.
Let's go walk, I would say, walk there. Okay guys, and so tonight I wanted to come out into this area to see what we have been actually staring at from our apartment for the past 3-4 days. So this is the skyline that we have been looking at. That's pretty cool.
It's fresh. So just got a watermelon before when we were shopping in the supermarket. I was never even thinking about getting one because the price is extremely expensive. And now we're just passing by the street stand and then it was like, let's support the local business. So we got half of them. But even though on the street stand it still costed 37K for this little half, which is around, how much is it like?
$3 for that.
$3? Yeah, I mean,
It's fine.
it's fine, but still.
Not like in Ukraine, but it's fine. My guy. Ooh.
2, please.
One day you're gonna be able to smell this. One day I'm gonna record the smell for you, but not yet. Just check the audio, maybe I'm not even recording that.
Look, this guy. Every time I come here, he's actually super busy. He's making some type of tea. I don't know what tea.
You check the audio?
No, I didn't. Hope it's working. The watermelon is heavy.
Back home.
Yes, so this is the soup. Jesus, guys, look at this. Amazing. So many stuff. How much was that?
15K. $1.
15K.
So good.
So many stuff. Wow. So guys, how do you like today's video?
Raw
A regular day.
and fun.
Yeah. Well, you know, I'm really not trying to do any like special things, just document our day here. And sometimes I actually got super stressed out, like I wanted to make the video better, but you know, if you do this every day, it's hard. So then you always like comfort me, well, if today's not good, then just try tomorrow. So yeah, now I think from now on I'm just...
Guys, just go back with Bianca's videos, watch her videos from like 5 months ago, you will see the difference. It's so much better now.
Yeah, more casual, more natural.
Yeah, back then, 1 month ago, you were like, no, it's fine.
Oh no, like I seriously, I didn't even know how to like, still don't know how to talk properly. Now it's better. Anyway guys, so you're probably wondering how much does this apartment cost with this amazing, incredible view. So it's $97 per night, and you can find them on Airbnb Cozy Stay, and they have a lot of apartments. This is one of the best, I think, and I really like the apartment. Do you like it? Leave in the comments and let me know. And I think I'm also gonna do a video about my morning routine. I will sit down and talk with you guys and talk with you guys and do some makeup. And after that, we're going to Bandung City. So see you there. Bye bye. Good night.
Good night.